You plan the perfect store, but struggle to get enough booking. Clients cancel in last minute. Or pricing your tour is more like a guessing game. One, low bookings. Use video content, client testimonials, influencers, and social media ads to attract more clients. Two, last minute cancellation. Have a clear cancellation policy and require deposits to reduce your losses. Three, price struggle. Calculate your cost properly and avoid copying competitors, and make sure you have a good profit margin for your tour packages. So what's the biggest challenge you faced as a tour operator? Drop it in the comment section and let's find solutions to it together.